Uh, is it started? It's
हाँ
showing.
हाँ it started.
Oh, okay.
Okay, chalo, carry on. All the
Okay.
best.
Okay sir.
Hmm.
সো আমি ওটা শেয়ার করছি, হ্যাঁ। সো একবার দেখে নাও তোমরা দুজনে। ইট ওন্ট টেক মোর দেন 15 মিনিটস টু কমপ্লিট দ্যাট, বাট ঠিক আছে, একটু বেশি টাইম লাগলে। আর আজকে সিন্স বাকি আর কেউ নেই, সো আফটার দ্য ইভ্যালুয়েশন না, লেটস ডিসকাস প্রথম দিন থেকে আজ অব্দি যা যা হয়েছে, যা ইস্যুস আছে, প্রবলেমস আছে, যদি কোথাও কিছু থাকে উইল ডিসকাস রিগার্ডিং দ্যাট। ঠিক আছে। আর আমি একটা ক্লাস করিয়েছিলাম জয়েন্টস এর ওপরে, আই রিমেম্বার জয়েন্টস এন্ড রিলেশনশিপস এন্ড অল। আজকে আমি একটা বেসিক 15-20 মিনিটস এর কিছু ডুপ্লিকেটস থাকলে জয়েন্টস এ, হাউ টু কন্ট্রোল দ্যাট। কোনো টেবিলসে যদি ডুপ্লিকেটস ভ্যালুস থাকে তাহলে সেটাকে কি করে কন্ট্রোল করতে পারি। বা আমি আজকে ডেটা ব্লেন্ডিং এ যাব না, সো আই উইল স্টিক টু জয়েন্টস অনলি, এবং জয়েন্টস এ কি কি আর কি কি হতে পারে সেটা নিয়ে একটা ডিসকাস করে দেবো। ঠিক আছে। সো আই এম শেয়ারিং দ্যাট ওভার দি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ, একবার তোমরা দেখে নাও অ্যান্ড এটা আমাকে করে দিয়ে দাও ফটাকসে। শেয়ার করে দিয়েছি, দেখে নাও।
Okay. এটা মানে কি করব এক্স্যাক্টলি এখানে?
দেখো ওটা খোলো একবার। তোমাকে যে ডেটা সেটটা ফার্স্ট দিন দেওয়া ছিল ওই ডেটা সেটটা খুলবে, ঠিক আছে। অ্যান্ড ওটা দিয়ে তোমাকে ফার্স্ট একটা বেসিক বার চার্ট বানাতে হবে, একটা শীট ওয়ানে একটা বার চার্ট বানাবে, ঠিক আছে। সিম্পল লেখা আছে, which bar chart showing the create a bar chart showing the total sales for each category, ঠিক আছে। ইস্যুস কোয়েশ্চেনটা পড়ে দেখে নাও, যদি কোনো প্রবলেম থাকে বুঝবার থাকে বলো, তাহলে help হবে। অর্নিলা, প্রবলেম কিছু?
দাঁড়া, আমি পুরো কোয়েশ্চেনটাই পড়িনি এখন।
আচ্ছা, আমি একটা জিনিস বলে নিই। যেমন কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 1, ওকে, it's like a bar chart you will be creating, okay. For question 2, like, create a bar chart showing the total sales for each category. You will do that in sheet 1, and which category has the highest total sales. That is okay. While doing the question number 2, okay, don't just do it on sheet 1. Go to sheet 2, create another bar chart with the category, and then do the filtering and sorting. Okay.
আমি অলরেডি করছি।
Okay.
হাই সৈকতা,
হ্যাঁ হাই, বলো।
আমি আগে বলে দিচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে? আমার সবকিছু হচ্ছে না, প্রচন্ড ভাবে গুলিয়ে গেছে, ঠিক আছে? আমি না পরের দিন দেবো, লাস্টের দিকের গুলো তো জাস্ট হচ্ছে না। আই ওয়াজ নট প্রিপেয়ার টু প্রিপেয়ার দিস চার্ট ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান, ওকে?
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, নো ইস্যুস, বাট প্রিপেয়ার তো হতে
বাট
হবে।
আই গট টু নো দ্যাট এরকম ভাবে হবে। তো
হ্যাঁ, so
ঠিক
let Ornella finish it, then
হুম।
we'll discuss this question paper, how to do it everything. ঠিক আছে?
জাস্ট আমার লাস্ট কোয়েশ্চেনটা করছে 2 মিনিটে হয়ে গেছে।
ওকে ওকে।
চলো লাস্ট কোয়েশ্চেনটা অন্য কোনো হচ্ছে ঠিক আছে
Rest you are done, right?
হুম
ঠিক আছে, share your screen. Let's see.
Is it visible?
Yeah, right. So, Pai, can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Were we able to do this one at least, the first one?
Yeah, the first one. Till fourth one I can do, but after that.
So, okay, let's just go through all of this, okay?
Hmm.
So the first question was create a bar chart showing the total sales for each category and which category has the highest total sales. Simple. You drag category to the column and you drag sum of sales to the row and you get this, okay? Ortela, it's better whenever, what you can do is drag the category in the level, or you can click on the level. Just do a different way. Click on the level na in the marks card. Click on the level on the marks card. See, there an option will come to
So
no.
category is level, right?
Just hold on. What you can do is you do rather what you can do is drag sum of cells in the level. Okay, so it will give you a clear idea. Okay.
Hmm.
Now let's just do one thing. Let's say you want to format this number in terms of thousands or million. How to do it? Formatting.
Okay, thousands or millions.
Yeah, it can be anything. Just I don't want number should be that big.
Hmm.
Yeah, click on it. Right click. An option will come. Hold. Yes. You go to format.
This is the format option.
Mm-hmm.
This is the format option, right? This is the format font actually.
Let's see. Format this. Hold
If
on.
I just go to that sales and if I go to filter and give the range of values, that can also be done, right? Or
In filter range of values.
Hmm.
No, I don't think that will hold. Let me try what you're saying. Just number custom. I'll make it go. This is, and I'll make it in millions. Yes. What you do now? You go to sum of cells drop down. Yes. You do format. Not this one. Not this one. This one on the marks card. Or else you can just go to format this. On the pane, what you have? Do it. The numbers, first one. Numbers, yes. The first one. Yes. No. There's a drop down in numbers. The first one, default.
Yeah, I'm doing that only.
Watch, I will not be able to see. Yeah, make it in millions instead of. See? So this gives a better picture. So file clear till now?
Yeah, but I do not have this millions option. I can just click on the total, grand total, and all these things, this number. And then I see automatic, number standard, number custom, currency, and all. That one you are talking about, right?
Number custom. Yes.
Currency.
Yeah, number custom. Go to number custom,
Okay.
and
And
then a pop-up will come up, right?
decimal place, negative values, this
Yes.
one. Okay.
Then you will have, let's say, you have number custom, this display unit.
Yes.
Yes, make
Okay.
it
I
billion.
got it. Yeah. I got it. Okay.
Okay. So this is it. Now go to next question. The next question was filter the bar chart from question 1 to show only the categories furniture and office supplies. Sort the categories in descending order based on sales. Okay, yes. So first, you will prepare the same bar chart with category and sum of sales. You drag the category in the filters. Then you take out the technology from there. And after that, you just sort it on descending order. Easy, right? Any problem, Payal, on this one?
No, not in this one.
Okay, good enough. Next, go to question number 3. Create a line chart showing the trend of sales over time, by month. Identify the month and year with the highest sales. Okay, this one. Now I have a question. Ornella is right. Why you need to make it a continuous one and not a discrete one? The month, but like the order date. File answer.
Because this will change, right?
No, why specifically? Based on the question I'm asking. Why do you need to? This will change, of course. But based on the question, why do you need to make it a continuous one and not a discrete one? This is what I'm asking. Any idea? Why it should be a continuous one? Read the question again. Okay, let me help you out. Let's say if you would have made it a discrete one, what happens in discrete?
It will just show you the selected.
Yeah, it would have, summarized the sales value of, all the month of like January of all the years, and it would have given you a single data point. Okay. Yes. But when you are making it a continuous one, you can clearly see which month of which year is giving you the maximum sales. So specifically, it's written which month of which year. Clear, Payal?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Clear with this one? Can I go to the next question?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Question number 4, pie chart. Create a pie chart showing the proportion of total sales for each region. Which region has the highest share of total sales? Ornella, दिखा दो. Okay, center. Any question on this one? Very easy.
No, this not in this one.
This is okay, right, Payal?
This is okay.
Okay. And again, you can format it. Okay. Instead of big numbers, you can keep it in millions or whatever. You don't need to do it now, so you can do it afterwards. No issue. Okay. Now let's come to scatter plot. Create a scatter plot showing sales versus profit for each subcategory. Identify the subcategory with the highest profit. Ado, madam. Pile is having problem in this question, right?
I
Please
actually.
see my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Evaluation 5 seconds. Scatter plot.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So here to prepare a scatter plot, you need minimum two measures. Okay. What are the two measures? It's clearly mentioned, sales and profit. Okay. So you drag, it can be sales, you drag sales to the column, you drag profit to the rows. And based on what you will get the scatter plot, it's clearly written, identify the which subcategory with the highest profit. So you drag subcategory to the color, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
And once you drag subcategory to the color, you can see on the left axis its profit. You can see the highest profit of which subcategory. Only
This one.
just yes, this one. So your copiers is giving you the highest profit.
Right.
Easy or difficult, Payal?
Easy, but I actually forgot this entire thing, so I couldn't do it. So it's just.
So 5 is also done. So you're okay with it, right? Now you can do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's get to 6. Create a field map showing the total sales for each state. Okay. Which state has the highest total sales? Okay. Now, Ornella,
Hmm.
you're not getting here in India, right? I need it. I need the US states. How you will get it?
US states.
Yes. How?
I
Okay.
can filter out. I can
Let me.
filter
No, no,
out
no,
the
no.
UP.
Country. Let's do one
Particular
thing. No,
country.
this is another problem that happens because if the data is not structured in especially the states and all, it will not give you. This all data is wrong. Okay. What you need to do? There you see 1K unknown on the right hand side of the map. 1K unknown on the bottom right hand side.
Hmm.
Click on it.
Okay.
You will get a option of country. See,
I have the option as
edit
edit
location. Hi, edit
location.
location. Go to edit location. The first one, country region, make it United States.
Okay. But why this option is coming up?
Yeah,
Like it's filtered.
no, this
Yes.
is actually the problem with data. Actually, what happens? Tableau does not recognize certain states and cities. Okay, automatically. So you have to assign it by looking at each and every city or state for which country it is. Then only it will, uh, you know, it will be able to show you the correct data.
Okay. So California is having the highest
Yes.
sales.
Right?
But how to know like this particular country is going to show me the highest sale? Because looking at this one, like this
Uh,
palette, we can see like okay, 485 is the highest sales. But how to determine which country is having this highest sales?
which
What I
country or which state?
Yeah, which state? Because initially it showed only the India region, right?
I know I'm okay. Let me share my screen now. Okay. Can you see it?
Not yet. Yeah, it's showing.
Okay. This is what happens is I made it US and it
Hmm.
gave me this one. Okay, this
Hmm.
map. Now let me start from the beginning only. Okay, so that people understand what I'm doing. So what we'll drag here first?
Seems
I
like
need
that.
I need the sales of the state, right?
Mm.
Hmm.
Or I can, since this is already I've made it, so you're getting this part, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now what you need to do, you drag your sales in the level and you
Mm.
drag your state into level.
Mm.
There you will have it. Now if you want to, this right hand side shows na ki
Mm.
the darker the color is of the blue means it has the highest sales.
No, no, my question is like initially it showed me only the India as a
Yes.
country, right?
Uh,
But I knew like the highest sale is in US.
uh.
So
No, no,
just
not highest
looking,
sales in US. No, this is what I'm explaining. It's not about India or US. Okay, just because I have clicked on the US part, okay, it is
mm,
showing me, but that does not mean it is the highest. There is a problem with the geographical data.
okay,
What the That is the problem because most of the countries that you have here is from the US only. It does not have any India region.
okay,
But now for each one you need to then set and change the data as per it is key for which state, because the country and the state are not aligned with each other in this data. That is the reason
okay,
you are getting a wrong answers for everything. But once when you will get a structured data, there
mm,
it will be more clearly aligned that for this country the state is this one. Let's say ki, if you have India region, you will have the Indian states. Okay,
okay,
so here the data is wrong. That is the reason you are not getting it on a clear basis. I just want to show you ki based on the US what you can see. Okay.
okay,
That is the reason whenever you will do a map now, if the data is not aligned properly for geographical region, you'll always known thing.
At a time, we can choose only one state or something like that. Like
No, no,
one.
no, it's not that. I'm telling this data is this data set has a it's not properly aligned with geographical thing. Okay, that is the reason you're having problem. Let's say if I have a proper data set, okay, where there is no mistakes regarding this, then you can see the which state, let's say overall world map, you can see which country is giving you the highest, which state is out of all those countries, which state is giving you the highest sales. There you can see it properly. It's just the problem with the data set and nothing else. Okay.
Okay.
mm,
Ornella, okay, show me now. I'm just stop.
screen. No?
Yeah, yeah. Next page.
This is dashboard.
First, you show me this one, that profit and sales one.
Profit and sales, I was not able to do. I
What
don't
have
know why, because I think I'm going wrong somewhere in the
first to do
column.
one thing? Okay, I'll help you out. Okay, I'll follow this one. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
Can
regarding
you see
state.
my
Yes,
calculated
yes.
sheet?
So first, calculate profit margin. Okay, profit margin is wrong. You just delete that one, na? Profit margin, and let's start from the beginning. The profit ratio.
Mm, okay, just a minute. Fine.
Okay. Now create a calculated field. While you know how to create a calculated field,
Yes.
go to calculated field, name it profit ratio. Now,
Then you have to do some
yes,
profit,
sum
no?
of profit. Yes, sum of profit divided
Divided
by
by
sum
sum
of
of
sales.
sales. I
Yes,
did the same thing, but why it's not showing? I don't know.
it will show. Wait.
Yeah, still showing the calculate contains error.
Error.
Hmm. It's equal to some profit divided by some sales, right?
Sum of profit, yes, divide by sum of sales. You
Why
do
so?
one thing now, you move all of this from this chart.
This one, right?
Uh-huh. And then edit that. Edit the profit ratio, no? Go to profit ratio. The calculator.
Right. Sum of profit divided by sum of sales. It's still showing some
Hold.
error.
This should be the formula. I have given it on WhatsApp. See?
Yeah.
Mm, sum of
Okay,
profit.
I was adding equal to before that. That's why it was showing some. Okay.
Now, what you need based on subcategory, drag subcategory in columns
Hmm.
and profit ratio there. Yes. You have a bar chart, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now do one thing on the left hand side in the profit ratio axis, make it based on descending to ascending. Sort it. Yes. Right. Drag the profit ratio to level. Easy? Difficult? File following.
Yeah, but I think I need to practice it.
Yeah, do it now.
Mhm.
While we are in the class only, just practice it now. You will get it. See, while once upon a time we were all new to all of this. Okay, whenever a new tool comes, we are all new to it. No one has any idea how to use that. So again, giving 1 hour
Hmm.
more than enough. Trust me. See, I am follow my class, follow the videos. Not only that, again, I'm telling you, if you want to do, want to be, if even if not a pro, you have to be a pro after a certain point of time. So what you can do is take some data set from Kaggle. Okay, you'll have it. Take some data set. You go to Kaggle, create an account there. It's free of cost.
Hmm.
We'll see data set for visualization. There's a category. Take data set from there. Try different things on your own. Like use that data set in Tableau and try to figure out, how to make a chart, or you can do other stuffs also. Like you can follow certain, there are loads of material over the internet. You
Hmm.
What you can do is after our class, see, I am teaching you how to do certain things. Okay, how to prepare a visualization, how to make certain charts, how to prepare a dashboard, a story point, how to create calculated fields, what you can do. Then you have to use all of this to create, a dashboard. It will not be a person giving you will give you a different data set and then form. So then you will have it. If you have time, follow what we are doing. Along with the same, give yourself 1 hour time, prepare a dashboard every day. If not every day, at least for in 2 days prepare a dashboard. बहुत सारे मटेरियल्स है इंटरनेट पे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. Why I'm telling you, trust me, once you do all of that na, you get to learn so many things. I will give a class, दे एकदम जस्ट डैशबोर्ड के लिए ये क्लास रखा है कि हम लोग एक दूसरा डेटा सेट, नॉट दिस सुपर स्टोर वन, आई टेक अ डिफरेंट डेटा सेट एंड विल प्रिपेयर a dashboard, a complete dashboard. But for that, you need to be okay with, other functionalities that you know all of that.
It's just that when I'm doing it, I can do it, but then again, I keep forgetting it. So when the time comes, I
Yes,
can't remember it.
that is the reason. What you need to do is you need to practice it in every 2 days. Okay. Matlab, it should be like we eat food, it should be like that. I need to practice at least one dashboard in 2 days. Make it a compulsory one. Yeah, I have to do it, whatever be it. Okay. Now that was okay for you. The calculated field, have you done it?
I got it, but I'll practice it again. Okay.
Yeah, practice it
I'll,
again.
yeah, I'll just come up with it. I got it,
Hmm.
but again, yeah, just
Okay, Ornella, see this map is not coming properly, right? So what do you need to do? You able to drag it? Ah. So dashboard is okay, but there are two other steps that you need to follow. What were those? Any idea? Got it, Ornella? Hello.
I can hear you. Yeah.
Ah.
Sorry, I was in mute. Sorry.
Okay. So see in question number 7, everything is okay. Create a dashboard that includes the bar chart from question 1, the line chart from question 3, and the map from question 6. Very good. Then there's a part 2. Add filters to the dashboard for category and region.
Hmm.
How to do it?
I'm a bit confused about it. I think
Yeah.
I tried using action at
No, no, no,
filter,
no, no, no.
but I
It
think
would,
that's not the proper way
that
of
is
doing it.
advanced. That is advanced one. We are not. We don't require that here. Very simple.
So
What
the
you need to
using
do? Yeah, click on this bar chart
Category,
one.
right?
Click on the bar chart one. Click on that. Yes.
This one, right?
You get an option there on the top left. After entire view, there is an option, right? The chart option, see, after the entire view. After the entire view.
Okay.
Yes. Drag, drop down. You see a filter option. There you can see category.
This is show high cards.
Huh?
That's the show high cards option. Show and hide cards. There is no category.
I can see that if I click on there, I can see the filter option and disable auto update category, subcategory. So
Huh.
that
So
one.
when
Okay.
you go to filters, you get that category, right?
Yeah.
Click on that category, you will have the filters there. That card menu. Now you don't have the region, right? Now how to
No.
do it? Now how to do it? How to do the region one? You go to sheet number one, because if you don't have it in the sheet, you cannot have it in dashboard. Go to sheet one. Yes, drag region in filters. It won't affect region in filters. Filters pane. Yes, it won't affect your chart, but it will just give you that pane, data pane. Okay. Now how from there? You click first. You need to click on this.
State.
No, 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 no. In which sheet you had it? In the category bar chart. Yes, click on that. No, no, not this one. This bar chart, bar chart. Click on the bar chart. Yes. And then go to that interview. Yes. Now you will have that region.
Mm.
Yes. Now you need to do that cross filtering stuff, right? So what you need to do, yes, you have done it, this filter, and go to the line chart also. But line chart you have sales based on
Order date.
that, based on date. So you don't need it. Let's say you don't need anything. Just keep it like that. Now you, let's say, click all in category, and in region, let's say you deselect everyone first. Yes. Now go for, let's say, south, north, east. So this is what my question was. Okay. Not a difficult one. I could have given action highlight, action filtering, but I haven't given it. This is the basic that what you can do after preparing a bar chart, that you can have that cards of category and region there, so that you can filter it accordingly. Okay.
Okay.
So any issue regarding this one?
No.
Okay. So this was the evaluation. I could have given more questions, but I know file is still not ready. Ornella should be after clearing desktop specialist exam. So this is how. So Payal, I think
Yeah.
by next week you should be prepared.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Only.
হুম। আমাকে একটু প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে বেসিক্যালি।
ওটাই একটা বারবার করে কি করো, একবার জাস্ট ভিডিওসটা দেখো, বাট কোনো স্পেসিফিক জিনিস যদি প্রবলেম হচ্ছে দেন গ্রুপে পিং করো, আই হেল্প ইউ আউট, নো ইস্যু। আমি কারোর পিংই দেখি না, তো আমি তাতে বুঝি যে কেউ করছে না মোস্ট প্রবাবলি। তো যদি প্রবলেমস না আসে, তার মানে হচ্ছে কেউ প্র্যাকটিস করছে না। আর এমন হতে পারে না যে প্রবলেম আসবে না। Because আমি ভালো করে জানি যে বিকজ আই হ্যাভ ডান ইট এট আ পয়েন্ট কি প্রচুর প্রবলেমস আসে, এটা বুঝতে পারছি না, ওটা বুঝতে পারছি না, কি করে করব। ওই জন্য আবার বলছি, পুরো জিনিসটাতে সবাই নতুন, তোমরাও নতুন, একটা টাইমে আমিও নতুন ছিলাম, অর্নেলাও নতুন, অর্নেলাও অনেক প্র্যাকটিস করেছে, এখন সার্টিফিকেশনও করে নিয়েছে। সো সি ইট উইল, এরকম না যে রকেট সায়েন্সও না, আবার জিনিসটা অতটা মানে চট করে যদি প্র্যাকটিসে না থাকো তাহলে ডিফিকাল্টি লাগবে, মনে হবে যে কোথা থেকে কি করবো। এন্ড ট্রাস্ট মি, সিন্স আই হ্যাভ অলসো ডান পাওয়ার বিআই, অনিল has also done power bi, I can
It's
tell you
much
one thing,
easier.
Tableau is much easier, much easier. Power BI তে এত DAX functions and all এত কিছু ছিল, it's very difficult at the point কি বুঝতে পারবে না যে কোন পেনে দেখবো, কোথা থেকে দেখবো, কি দেখবো, এত রিলেশনশিপস ক্রিয়েট করতে হচ্ছে, নালে ডেটা ফ্লো ভুল হবে পুরোপুরি। Tableau is much easier, much easier in that
তোমরা
sense.
কি এতেই কাজ করো, মানে ট্যাবলেটেই বা কোনো ভি টুলস এর উপরে এরকম কিছু?
আমি পাওয়ার বিআই তে কাজ করেছি, then I did the Tableau certification, so in comparison I can say ki Tableau is much easier. আমি পাওয়ার বিআই তে কাজ করেছি, but Power BI is a bit on the difficult side,
Tricky. Very
a
tricky.
bit tricky.
No, I just have to practice more.
Practice, I'm telling you,
Plus
Tableau is
point
much
is like in Tableau, you don't have to follow any logic. But
Yes.
in Power BI, you have to be very good with your logic and everything. না এটার মধ্যে মানে মাথা লাগানোর কিছু নেই, লাইক ইফ ইউ ক্যান drag and drop the elements, you can visualize it easily. But in Power BI ওখানে এত মাথা খাটাতে হয়, এটাতে মানে অনেক কিছু আছে, রিলেশনশিপ বিল্ড করো, তারপর হায়ারার্কি মেনটেন করো, অনেক কিছু আছে।
আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমাদের এটা ঠিক আছে, ইভ্যালুয়েশনটা তো আমি বুঝলাম, অর্নেলা ইজ অ্যাট পার, নো ইস্যু, বাট পায়েল একটু একটু নিজেকে এগিয়ে নাও, ওকে? At least I want at least 3 people from, you know, a Tableau session tate, like when I'll complete, at least 3 people should be ready, and others should at least know what Tableau is and how to prepare a basic things. Na hole there's no point. ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, now okay, তাহলে আমি এবার আমাকে বলো যে পুরনো যত ক্লাসেস হয়েছে, if you people remember anything, কোনো ইস্যুস আছে কিনা, whether you people have any issues or not, please tell me, I'll help you out with that, or else I will go through the joins and all, একটু বুঝিয়ে দেবো অল্প কিছু।
তুমি একটা ফার্স্ট ক্লাসে একটা ইয়ে করিয়েছিলে, রাইট? গ্র্যানুলারিটি। তো ওটা না আমি ঠিক রেকর্ডিং দেখে বুঝতে পারলাম না, মানে বুঝতে পারলাম বাট আই জাস্ট কুড নট ডু ইট, অর আই ডিড নট নো হোয়াট টু ডু এক্স্যাক্টলি ওখানে। ওটা একটা আছে, এন্ড ওই কন্ট্রোল ওয়ালা কোনো ভি জিনিসগুলো আমি পারলাম না। I saw all the recordings and I saw that there were so many topics. I don't know how did I miss that.
কন্ট্রোলস বুঝলাম না ঠিক।
মানে তুমি কোনো ভি ইয়েতে বলেছিলে না যেগুলো কন্ট্রোল দবে যেটা করবার, আমার ম্যাকবুকের ওটা তো বললে না কিছু
আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ওটা তো
ওটার কোনো
আমিও অনেক সার্চ করেছি, আমিও কিছু জিনিস বুঝতে পারছি। আমি লেটস সি, আর আমি আরেকটু দেখি, একজনের সাথে কথা বলি, আই নো সামওয়ান যে ম্যাকবুকে ওটা করছে, তো লেটস সি ও কি বলে, আমি দেন আইল আপডেট ইউ রিগার্ডিং দ্যাট, ঠিক আছে? ওটা আমি দেখে নিচ্ছি। আচ্ছা, গ্র্যানুলারিটি এন্ড নাথিং এলস, দেখো অর্নেলা আমি শেয়ার করছি, হ্যাঁ।
And arekta জিনিস like you said, right, this date part tableau te but a date can be changed to discrete and continuous both, right? তো ওই যে কখন কোনটা কিসে চেঞ্জ করতে হবে ওই জিনিসটা আমি ঠিক খুব একটা ক্লিয়ার
হ্যাঁ,
নই।
এটা হচ্ছে দ্যাট ডিপেন্ডস অন তোমার ক্লায়েন্ট রিকোয়ারমেন্ট, ঠিক আছে? সাপোজ তুমি যদি একটা ওভারঅল বড় না লার্জার পিকচার সামথিং ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু সি, ওকে, লেটস সে I have 3 years data, let's say 2019, 20 and 21, okay? I want to see a bigger picture, as in like let's say আমি রিয়েল লাইফ এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছি। সাপোজ আমি ধরো লেটস সে আমি একটা এমন একটা ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে কাজ করি, আই ওয়ার্ক ইন অ্যান ইন্ডাস্ট্রি ওয়ের আই নো কি সার্টেন মান্থসে বা সার্টেন কোয়ার্টার্সে, ঠিক আছে, আই নো মাই সেলস গো ডাউন, ওকে, due to uh, problems, maybe natural problems like due to rains or something, whatever be it, due to road blockages because of landslides and all. I know ki during this period, let's say during from July to September, or maybe from June to September, July to September, whatever be it, at this period I very well know ki my sales go down because of other factors. Now let's say on the other months, other quarters, I know my sales are good. Okay. So when I already know that these are the uh, problems that I have, then I don't need to see data based on individual month basis of individual years. Like I don't need to see 2019 January, February, March, April, or maybe based on quarters also. I know this quarter every month my sales are down. I know that already, right? And the other quarters my sales are up. So instead of looking at it on a continuous basis like 2018, I'm talking about not months, let's say quarters. Okay. So acha, let me give you an example, then you'll understand. Let's say let me share my screen first. Okay. Let's take date. First I will make it discrete only, discrete quarter. Okay, I have discrete quarters. And I take let's say profit based on my category. Okay. Now the question is, I know already. Acha, let me just clear category first. Let me explain this first. Let's just mark it once and make it enter. Okay. So this quarter one, let's say I have 3 years data. This quarter one includes all the 3 years quarter one, right? Files. Okay. This quarter two includes all the quarters of all the years, like quarter two of all the years, and same for quarter 3 and 4. When I already know that my quarter one always gives me low profit. Okay. So I don't need to get into every year. I don't need to see it that because since I already know that it will give me a low profit, I can just accumulate all the figures of all the years and I can see it, see the values in discrete way. Okay. But let's say I have a certain business where it's my profits fluctuates almost every month. Okay. I don't know my profit will be the next month, what my profits will be next year in the month of February. I don't know that certain thing. So at that point of time, to give a clear picture to the management, I would prefer to make it each year. Okay. Now let me give you an example. This is my 2011 quarter one. Okay. What we have seen in every quarter one, the profit is down, right? See, 2011 quarter one is low based on the other quarters of 2011. Same for 2012 quarter one, same issue, right? Same I can see for 2013. Again, quarter one, low value. So, but if I have a certain data set of a certain company that has a very fluctuating profit or fluctuating sales, there I can use the continuous one. And it all depends on what the management wants. Someone has given you a data set and asked, clearly tells you, see, my question today, evaluation question was what? Okay, identify the month and year with the highest sales. So now if the company tells you, I want to see, show me a line chart, or during the presentation, it tells you, provide a line chart which tells me the highest sales
Hmm.
in which month and in which year I have acquired that. Then you have to present it like this rather than a discrete one.
Hmm.
Clear a bit?
Yeah.
Confused? See, all depends on what the client wants. Okay, it all depends on that. At the end of the day, you should know what a discrete is, what a continuous is, and how to prepare it. Based on scenarios, you will have certain questions and you have to answer them. Okay. Now let me go to your granularity question. I take sales here. What I get? An aggregation of sales, right?
Hmm.
A complete aggregation of sales. But this aggregation is based, have I given any dimension to it? That aggregation should be based on a certain dimension. মানে বেসিক সিম্পল ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে আমি যদি বলি, আমার এটা সেলস এর টোটাল, বাট
হুম।
আমি কি কোনো ডিমেনশন দিয়ে বুঝিয়েছি কি আমি এই যে সেলস এর যে অ্যাগ্রিগেটেড ডেটাটা আমি কি হিসাবে ভাগ করতে চাই, কিসের বেসিসে, সেটা তো আমি এখনো বলিনি ট্যাবলিউকে, রাইট?
রাইট।
ইয়েস। তাহলে আমি যখন যখন অবধি বলিনি জিনিসটা, ততক্ষণ আমার অ্যাগ্রিগেশনটা হাইয়েস্ট লেভেলে আছে, রাইট?
হুম।
12642। দ্য মোমেন্ট আমি এখানে একটা ডিমেনশন ঢুকিয়ে অ্যাগ্রিগেশন করার জন্য ডিমেনশন, ওই ডিমেনশনের বেসিসে বলে দেবো, দেন আমার গ্র্যানুলারিটিটা বাড়বে আর অ্যাগ্রিগেশনটা কি হবে?
কমবে।
ইয়েস। সাপোজ ইফ আই টেক ক্যাটাগরি হিয়ার, তাহলে নাও আমাকে সাম অফ সেলসটা দেখাচ্ছে বেসড অন ক্যাটাগরি, অ্যান্ড আমার যে টোটাল অ্যাগ্রিগেশনটা ছিল সেটা ভাগ হয়ে গেল। সো যেই মোমেন্টে আমি গ্র্যানুলারিটিটা বাড়াচ্ছি, সেই মোমেন্টে আমার অ্যাগ্রিগেশনটা কমছে।
কমছে।
এটা আরো কমবে কিভাবে? ইফ আই টেক সাব ক্যাটাগরি হিয়ার, আমার গ্র্যানুলারিটি বাড়লো, অ্যাগ্রিগেশন আরো কমে গেল। ইফ আই টেক রিজিয়ন হিয়ার, লেটস সে রিজিয়ন না, লেটস সে আই টেক মার্কেট হিয়ার, আমার গ্র্যানুলারিটি আরো বাড়লো এবং আমার অ্যাগ্রিগেশন আরো কমে গেল। ক্লিয়ার?
হুম।
সো এটা একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আসতে পারে যদি তুমি ট্যাবলিউ ডেস্কটপ আসতে পারো, যে what happens to granularity when you what happens to aggregation when you increase the granularity? ঠিক আছে?
ওকে।
সো এটাই হচ্ছে ব্যাপার। এনি কোয়েশ্চেন স্যার এতে?
নো নো গট ইট।
ওকে। সো এবার আমি একটা জিনিস বোঝাতে চাই, সেটা হলো তোমাদেরকে আমি যে ডেটাগুলো দিয়েছি, আর যেটা শেয়ার করেছিলাম, অনেকগুলো এক্সেল ফাইল আমি শেয়ার করেছিলাম, রাইট? ইন দি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপ। কেউ দেখেছিল কি বলিও একবার?
হ্যাঁ দেখেছি। হ্যাঁ। দেখেছিলাম দেখেছিলাম। ওই তো এয়ারলাইনের
অনেক কিছু আছে, আমি দেখাচ্ছি এবার, ঠিক আছে? ফার্স্ট আমি একটা নর্মাল জিনিস বলে নিই আগে, কি ডেটা সায়েন্স, হোল্ড অন। আচ্ছা, আমি আগে এটা শেয়ার করে নিই তোমাদের সাথে। এটা visible, right? Excel টা?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start with inner join. Okay? Inner join কি করে? অর্নেলার তো কিছুটা আইডিয়া আছে জয়েন্টস এর, ভালোই রকম আইডিয়া থাকা উচিত,
Hmm.
রাইট? পায়েল আছে জয়েন্টস এর কোনো আইডিয়া ভালো করে?
No, I just know that SQL joins.
হ্যাঁ,
That's it.
এসকিউএল
It's
জয়েন্ট
a
জানলেই হবে, মানে
হ্যাঁ
জয়েন্টস জানো তো, লাইক
হ্যাঁ
ইনার জয়েন্ট, আউটার জয়েন্ট, লেফট জয়েন্ট, রাইট জয়েন্ট, নো অল অফ দিস, রাইট? আমি
হুম
এটা জাস্ট ব্রিফ দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। সাপোজ আমার কাছে একটা টেবিল এ আছে, ওকে, আই হ্যাভ দি টেবিল এ। আমার কাছে 6 customers I have: Arnav, Rahul, Krishna, Nishant, Shikha, Rita. Okay, I have their genders, I have their age. Okay, in table B I have four employees, I have their title and I have their salary. Okay, so this customer and employee are the same, okay, kind of. And this the name is different, that's it, nothing else. Now I need to join these two table. Okay, someone tell me, if I join these two table with the inner join, what result will I get?
It will show you the common elements between these two
Common
tables.
elements, right? Exactly. So common elements, only the common elements. What are the common elements? I have Krishna in table A, I have Krishna in table B. I have Arnav in table A, but I don't have Arnav in table B. So my inner join in the final table, if I do a inner join, I will not be able to see the Arnav details. Okay, I have Krishna, I have Rahul here in table A. I have Rahul, I don't have Rahul in table B. So will I be able to see Rahul? Well,
No.
no. Krishna I already have. Nishant I don't have. Shikha I have here, and
Hmm.
Rita I don't have. So I can clearly see only two employees data are matching with table A and table B. So if I prepare an inner join, this is the result which I'll get. I will get only the result of these two customer or employees. Okay, because in inner join I can only see the common elements of both the tables. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now get to left outer join or left join. I have this table, I have table B. Now someone explain it to me now. What a left join does. Pile answer. Ornella, I know you know that. Functions of a left join. How it works.
Basically, like it if we want to take all the rows, like left table it includes all the rows, and then for right table, it like whatever conditions are matching, it will show that.
Basically, all the data from the left table,
Hmm.
right, and the matching data of the right table.
Right table, yeah.
Okay, so this is what we get. So let's say for a left join, see here, Arnav Rahul. Okay, though Arnav Rahul ka data table B में है नहीं. Okay, but since I am doing a left join, I'll have all the data from table A, right?
Mm.
So I will have Arnav Rahul. Krishna is already matching with table B, so I'll have that. Okay, Nishant I have in table A, but I don't have in table B. But since left join, I'll have that. And same for other stuffs. Since in table A, I don't have Abhishek and Rohan, but I have that data in table B, Abhishek and Rohan. Since I'm performing a left join, these two will be discarded. These two values will not be available in the final table after preparing a left join. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is my final result. Got it? Abhishek and Rohan has been excluded. Since I don't have any data in the table B for Arnav, Rahul, Nishant and Rita, these will have null values. Okay.
Yeah.
Then let me go to right outer join. Same right join. It's just the ulta, right? All the data from the right table and the matching data from the left table. Okay, same here. And what does a full outer join does? It includes all the data from the left table and all the data from the right table.
Right table.
That is your full join. Now the question arises. Let's say I have a table A and table B. Okay. Can you see the order number 001, 002, 003, 004, right? It's simple. Chat. I have four order numbers. Four are distinct. Okay? No repetitive value. But in table B, can you see 001 two times and 003 three times?
Yes.
So there is duplicate values. Let's say duplicate in that sense ki you like 003 has been given thrice this order. Okay. Now, if you prepare, so this data you have. So how Tableau interprets this data, and you prepare an inner join, how Tableau will give you the final result. Since you have 001 order number twice in table B, right? Tableau will create automatically just to make space for that order number. It will create a duplicate value. See here the final result. 001 north you already had 001 north. Okay, one is for chair, one is for desk. So what it will do, it will create another duplicate row. Okay, to accommodate that what you have in table B. So you have 001 not unpaid, 001 chair, $2,000, this the value. Okay, same it will create a duplicate row just to accommodate desk here. Okay, same for 003, it will create another two rows just to accommodate the same thing from table B. Okay,
So what if like in table A, if we have like 001 north and south as well? So the
yes,
tableau
I'll
will,
get it. I'm getting into that. This
okay.
this is easier one. Okay, if you have duplicate values just in one of the tables, okay, it is not an issue. Tableau will resolve it on its own, and it will create just a duplicate rows, but it won't affect your data. Okay, now let me close this and duplicate अगर दोनों टेबल में है तब क्या होगा? Wait, let me share the other one. This is visible, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay. Let's see. In table A, you have north 001, okay, north 002, south 001. Okay, so you have 001 twice. And same here, you have 001 thrice in table B, right? So you have duplicate values in both the tables, right?
Hmm.
So how to do it? Okay, let's say I do a left outer join. Okay, so 001 normal case. Okay, what 001 will do? It will try to match with this value 001 001 001. Okay,
Hmm.
Hmm.
and it will try to create what?
A similar one.
No, when I told you the last example I've given you, whenever it says that there is 2 or 3,
Duplicate
it
field.
duplicates rows, right? Just to accommodate that.
Hmm.
So what happens here is, see, what it will do, it will create 001 for
not.
not, right?
Hmm.
For not.
Hmm.
And what you have, a laptop, so you have the laptop details. Then you will have 001 Mohan North, and it will have mouse here. Okay?
Hmm.
Then it will try to create 001. Then since it is matching with 001 and 001, it will create not 001 with what it will do?
South. It will take south.
Yes, the south camera it will. Mohan is till Mohan is okay. It will take south and then it will take camera. That south camera. So this is wrong, right? It is not what it should be. So this is an error. Understanding or not?
Which one is error? Can you repeat that part?
This is an error, right? If it is giving you, because it should give you not for not, it should give you how many values? For
Two.
Mohan,
Two.
2. It is
2.
giving you how many?
Three.
3. Exactly. Because it is matching with 001. It's wrong. So tell me one thing, how you can solve this so that Tableau finds a unique value and it does not, overlap with the order ID.
Where is it showing 3 exactly for Mohan?
3 na? 3 1.
3 1. Okay.
This third value is also, it should be 2, right? Because for Mohan 001, right? Mohan is for north, is from north, right?
Hmm.
So for 001 Mohan, how many data are there in table 2?
2.
2. It should give you 2, but how many it is giving?
Three.
3. Okay.
Because it is not understanding, because it is taking only it is trying to match, it is trying to join table A and table B based on what category? Order number.
Hmm.
Since it is getting
So from class.
yes, it will see that there is another 001 in table B. So it will try to match it with that 001 and it will give you a wrong result. Same, see, it happened with South. South, how many are there? 001, right?
Hmm.
But how many value it's showing in 001?
3.
Why? Because one to it is giving 001 for South, but it is also taking this to 001 of North.
Hmm.
So this is an error. So how to fix it? There's a way. When you do joining with multiple fields, okay, how to do it? Then you have to specify to when doing the joins that on what parameters you want to join it. Like what are the columns based on you want to join it. Can anyone tell me how? You have the results in front of you, you have everything. Can anyone explain? Both of you, anyone?
Yeah, like to distinguish those will give those value, right?
Yes,
Like
how? That's what I'm saying.
how in Tableau?
Now in Tableau with normal sense, how? Instead of doing the joins based on just order, if I do it based on store and order, so it will be distinct like not 001. So it will from the table B, it will take only not 001.
Yes.
But
If I
again, in North, there are two, right?
yeah, there will be two. That is okay. There are two values, na? One for laptop, one for mouse.
What if one is Mohan and the other one is someone else?
Yeah, it's giving na south 001. So I will, if I distinguish in such a way that I am matching both the tables based on store and order. Then for south, how many are there in the final table now, right now?
One.
Because it's only having one, right? It is not giving you duplicate values like 3 last time.
Okay, tell me one thing. Like here, we are getting the duplicates for store and order. That's why we are concatenating this two columns and doing the like setting the parameter. Fine.
Mhm.
What if like the customer column also we have the duplicates? Like suppose North 001 Mohan against
Hmm.
South 001 Mohan. It might be the case, right?
Yes.
So in
Then you
that
have to
case, we
take
need
another
to
category.
combine these three again, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we need to create a unique ID for particular like
Same
row.
in Excel while doing a VLOOKUP, right?
Mm, mm.
Until and unless you don't have a unique value, you
Unique
won't be
ID.
able to do the VLOOKUP, right?
Mm.
File idea about Excel, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, let me do one thing. Uh, Let me see whether I can use that or not. Let me take the. I'm closing this one. Here, data now. Computer comparison. Comparison. Downloads. Okay. Okay. Present something else where I am. Screen visible, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I have data of airline 1 and airline 2. Okay. So let me drag this airline 1 here. Okay. And I want to perform. Acha, first you see the airline data. Okay. I have financial year 2015, 2015, 2015 for Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. And same for 2016 also. Right? And its revenue. Okay, anyone? Any issues?
No.
Okay. Now I want to join this. Okay. Double click. Bring in airline 2. And I do a inner join. Is this what I need? The final answer, the final table.
How did you just like describe it as inner join? Like, was there any option or something you got, or
It,
that you could?
it automatically gives a inner join. See this mark na? This is
No,
inner join, right?
that
It
I understand, but did you get any pop up or something? No.
no pop-up. It gives you a inner join. When you click on that middle na,
Hmm.
then you can change it to left join, right join, full outer join. See, you'll have that option. You're not able to see now. Hold on, let me see if that. This is a problem here. I don't know why it happens. Hold on. See?
But you know what I got? Like in one of the recording I was watching, I could see like while Payal was sharing her screen, we could
Hmm.
see the pop-ups, but I don't know why. While she was showing action filter,
Ah.
we could
Mhm.
see the pop-up screen. But আমাদের এটাতে কেন হয় না? I don't know.
I don't know. The Pile MacBook has some other features or what?
এবার ট্যাবলেটে তো জানি না এরকম হচ্ছে কেন, আমি কিছু পাচ্ছি তোমরা কিছু পাচ্ছ না, তোমরা পাচ্ছ আমি পাচ্ছি না, বাট
Acha, yeah, acha, you have seen the WhatsApp, right? See, this option you'll have, okay, for various performing various joins. Now, you want to see the data what you have in airline 2, if you want to. So let me just do one thing. Let me cancel all of this and just put it here. Okay. Let me also see the data of airline 2. What is there? I have financial year 2015, 15, 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, and four continents instead of 6. Okay, in airline 2, right? In airline 1, I had all these 6 there. So this year 1, that financial year 2015, has been repeated 4 times, whereas in airline 1, it has been repeated 6 times, right?
Can you just give me 2 minutes? I'll be back. Just 2 minutes.
हाँ.
मेरे साथ तो- Yes, back.
Okay. Let me start from the beginning. So you have seen the data of airline 2 also, right? Hello.
Yes, but now I can't.
No. I'm just saying that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So airline one, I had for financial year 2015 and 16 for various continents. I have the revenue. Okay. At airline one has all the 6 continents, and whereas for airline two, I have only the records of 4 continents. Okay. Same financial year. Now, if I take airline one here and I prepare a join, I drag here. Inner join is created, right? But whenever I'm joining data, what I want the 2015 data for all my what is it, for all my region, right? For continents and its revenue, and same for airline 2 also. So my final table, what it shows right now, is just shows period, and I have this just one record here. Why, I have one record?
Because the
Huh?
because the common factor has only one element.
Yes, what common factor? What it has? It has
Periods.
it has taken revenue automatically. So since it has only 70,000, that's 700,000 record twice in both the tables, like it is, so it has automatically matched it and given you a single figure, which is wrong, right?
Hmm.
You want something else by joining, right? You want to see data of both the tables, a matching data, right? So how to do that? Have you seen, while you click on that middle part, right, by inner join,
Hmm.
are you people doing, like, currently doing with me this one?
No, I am not doing it.
I'm doing it.
So you'll not understand. My laptop is open, right?
Yeah. Let me fetch this.
Connect that data airline. Yeah. Or else you won't understand.
One second. You took this data, right? This Excel file. Yes.
Airline comparison, I guess that one. Yeah.
एक second, हाँ मैं just এটা download করছি. For some reason, I'm not able to join it. Like,
You need to double click it.
but still, I'm getting
telling
an error.
Like, drag airline 1 first on
Yeah.
the canvas.
And then
Then on airline 1 on the canvas, double click it.
okay.
It will open a field, okay? Then
Hmm.
drag airline 2 anywhere. It will create an inner join. Anywhere on that
Yeah.
canvas.
Hmm.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay. So can you see this? It is just giving you on the final result just one row, right?
Hmm.
So it's wrong, right? Okay.
Hmm.
So what you need to do, click on that inner join part.
Hmm.
Now you see it has created a join, inner join, based on what? It's written, right? Revenue equals to revenue.
Hmm.
Yes. So it's wrong because it has just done a inner join based on revenue. So you don't want to do an inner join based on revenue, right? So it will give you a wrong value figure. So what you need to do on the left hand side of revenue data source, okay? There's a drop down you can see.
Hmm.
First, what you need to do with what you want to match it
Region.
with
Region.
period. Yes. So select period from left hand side and equals to that airline 2 1 with
Period.
no, there's no period. There is year.
Yen.
Year,
Year.
sorry.
Yes.
Year.
Year.
Okay. Yeah.
Now you again have a wrong data. Final data. You have 48 rows here, right? You
Hmm.
see, you've got 48 rows. How we
But
are
I
getting?
don't get any. If
Hmm?
I still, if I did as period and then year, then I don't see anything over there. But the data, it's not coming for me.
You have done inner join, right?
Yes.
On the data source, you have done period equals to year. It's not coming.
No.
Just share your screen.
Let me know once you can see.
Yes.
Okay. So,
See, we can see her here. Ornella.
Sorry?
We can
Yeah.
see
We
file.
can see, yeah. I don't know why.
Okay. Make this period. Okay.
hmm. And then year. Okay, let me delete it and do it.
No, you have done it twice. Remove that.
Remove the revenue.
You first remove the on the revenue only you do, na? Delete the first one
Delete
first.
that cross.
Delete that. Yes. Now you see 48.
But then, okay.
I'm telling you. Now you have 48 rows, right?
Hmm.
It's
Hmm.
written, na? 48 rows. See?
Hmm.
Okay. Now it is again wrong, right? You don't have 48 rows data in both the tables combined also. So how you are getting that?
Duplicates.
Okay, now let me explain it to how you are getting that. Duplicates. How duplicates? What it is doing. Let me explain why you're getting this kind of data and what you have to do to make it right. Okay, now I'm sharing, huh?
Okay.
This. So this is the Excel you can see, right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
So what it's doing right now, because since you have chosen period from this and year from this, what it's doing, it's duplicating. Like how many data are there in 2015? How many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Hmm.
And how many are there? 4
Hmm.
Hmm.
is just multiplying itself. 6 into 4, 24. Okay. Since you have taken only year. Same for 16. 6 into 4. So 24, 24, how much? 48. It's
Okay.
showing 48. Now, how to change that? Now, apart from the period and year from airline 2, what else you have to take to create that a perfect joint? What
Region.
column? Region.
Region.
Now, yes. Now, what you have to do? Let me share my screen again. This is something else. Now, apart from period, there is on the drop. There is another drop down. You select region from here.
Now I can see your screen also.
Acha, you
Please.
can. Oh my
Yeah.
You look up at the.
But I was not able to see before. Like earlier, you took
Yeah.
that photo and sent, right? I don't know.
Since day one, we could not see. But all
Yeah.
of a sudden, chua lega je chuma iPad hai.
uh, Acha, from airline 2 also, I'm selecting region.
Hmm.
Now see how many data you are seeing.
8.
Yes. Now it's complete. Now I have selected inner join, right?
Hmm.
Based on these two factors. So from airline 1, I had the data of North America and South America also. But since I don't have that data in airline 2, that's why it's not showing that value here, because I have created an inner join. Only matched values I'll have in the output, right?
Hmm.
Now change it to left join. You will see both North America and South America, but you will see in airline 2 it will give null values,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
It will give null values. So this is how you perform a proper join. One mistake and the whole data will be like gone. Okay, you will say, okay, I have prepared a join, but it's not happening. So it's not just automatically what Tableau takes. You have to create your own join based on the uh, the common factors in both the tables.
Hmm.
This is something new we have learned today, right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. So I'll finish it here today. And with the same data set, next class I'll explain about the data blending. You Data blending is something sometimes, see, majorly data blending is used when we have data set from two different data sources. Like you're taking one data source, let's say from SAP, and you're taking another data source from Snowflake. Okay, so on the go we do a data blending to get the result. But I'll show, since we don't have access to show, how we can do data blending with Excel only, with this data set only, with one airline 1 and airline 2, and how we can do all of and perform those functions with tables and all. Okay, so today's class is clear till now.
Hmm.
Yeah. I just have one question. Like you guys are using the free version or is it paid?
No,
Free
no, free
version.
version, free version.
Free version. So it's showing over there that Tableau license expires in 7 days, right? So
Huh.
you download another one again, another
Yes.
version.
Huh.
Okay. And on Naladi, what do you do?
Same. You need to
Or you
use the
can or you
upgrade.
can do one thing. It's much easier. I know there are certain functionalities are not there. Use Tableau Public. Download Tableau Public. Okay.
No, but something is different for me. I have never downloaded again a different version. It's like it's just working for me. So I don't even see that
Hello.
option. This tablet from the time I downloaded, right? So I don't even see that option that it expires in some days or something. I don't get that. So I don't know. Is it what is it?
You should not show it.
I don't get it anywhere. How do I check that when it's going to expire or something?
Because from day one you are using the same one, right?
Sadly.
So you have a paid version. Oh,
No, how is that possible? Like
I
that's
don't know. I have no idea.
Like, did you like input it any like payment details or something like
oh
Uh-huh.
that?
no.
And তাহলে কি করে হবে?
সেটাই তো আমি বলছি, কিন্তু আমি বুঝতে পারছি না, মানে আমি
একবার
যদি স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করি,
হ্যাঁ একবার স্ক্রিনটা শেয়ার করো।
হ্যাঁ তুমি দেখতে পাবে না যে এটা কোথায় হচ্ছে, মানে আমি কোথায় দেখবো এটা।
Trials within 2 weeks, 15 days এরই ট্রায়াল থাকে
হ্যাঁ 14 days রাদার।
হুম
14।
কোনো ভি জায়গাতে আমি এই অপশনটাই দেখতে পাচ্ছি না উপরে, যে আমি মানে কিভাবে দেখে এটা, আর কি অপশন।
অর্নেলা পাইলের কি পেড ভার্সন নাকি রে?
জানি না, হয়তো
আমি তো pay করিনি।
ট্রায়াল ফ্রি আছে হয়তো।
আর ম্যাকবুকে এটা আমি লগ ইন তো করেছি আমার অ্যাপেল আইডি দিয়ে, তো আমার কার্ড ডিটেলসও এখানে দেওয়া নেই। তো আমি জানি না কি হচ্ছে, মানে আমি প্রত্যেকবার যখনই প্র্যাকটিস করি বা ক্লাস করি না, আমি
হুম।
জাস্ট কোনো বি ওপেন করি, এটা জাস্ট আমি ওপেন করে নিই,
হুম।
এরকম ভাবে কিছু বি হলো, এটা জাস্ট ওপেন করলাম আর এটা আপনা আপ চলে আসে, আমি শিট অ্যাড
মানে
করি।
যখন তুমি খোলো তখন আসে না কি অ্যাক্টিভেট
হুম,
মানে
হুম।
কন্টিনিউ
নো,
প্যাকেজ বা
ইট ডাজন্ট। আমি যেমন এখন দেখলে তো এই ডেটা সোর্সে কানেক্ট করলাম, আমি এখানে গিয়ে কোনো ভি ডেটা সোর্সে কানেক্ট করে নিই, and then I just get this page every day, I open
অ্যাপেল
it.
অ্যাপেল ইউজার্সদের ফ্রি নাকি রে?
আমি সেটাই বলছি অ্যাপল
তো
ইউজার্সদের ফ্রি নাকি, হতে পারে না কিন্তু জানিস তো।
হ্যাঁ।
এবার আমি কি কিছু ভুল করছি, না আমি
না না
বুঝতে
না,
পারছি না হচ্ছেটা কি।
তুমি
যদি ফ্রিতে
একবার নিজের অ্যাকাউন্ট ডিটেলসটাও দেখে নাও। হ্যাঁ
যদি
মানে
যদি
তোমরা যখন এটা ওপেন করো, সাপোজ
হ্যাঁ
প্রত্যেকদিন যখন এখানে এসে এটা ওপেন করছো, হোয়াট ডু ইউ গেট ইফ
উই
ইউ ক্লিক?
গেট, আমি যদি সাপোজ ওপেন করি না, আমাকে ফার্স্টেই দেখাচ্ছে ইওর ট্রায়াল এন্ডস ইন 6 days বা ইওর ট্রায়াল এন্ডস ইন 7। ইভেন আমি যদি এখনো আমারটা দেখাই
হ্যাঁ
তোকে, এটা শেয়ার করছি দেখ, হোল্ড অন।
ওকে, আমি sure তোমরা দেখলে রাইট যে আমার ওখানে দেখাচ্ছে না
হ্যাঁ
ওটা কতদিন
হ্যাঁ,
এক্সপায়ার হচ্ছে বা কিছু।
না এই দেখ, আমি যদি আমারটা শেয়ার করি না, সি ওপরে দেখ লেখা আছে ট্যাবলিউ লাইসেন্স এক্সপায়ার্স ইন 7 days।
হুম,
তো এটা
এটা
দেখায়।
এটা কি অন্যেলার দিকেও দেখায় নাকি?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ সেম আমারও দেখায়, আমারটা এরকম আছে
আমাকে
7
কেন
days।
দেখাচ্ছে না তাহলে?
ট্যাবলিউ পাবলিক তো এরকম হয় না, না এই সৈকত?
না তো কি ট্যাবলিউ পাবলিক করেছে না ট্যাবলিউ ডেস্কটপ করেছে?
আমি ডেস্কটপই করেছি, এটা ট্যাবলিউ, আমার ভার্সনটা হচ্ছে ট্যাবলিউ ডেস্কটপ অ্যাপল সিলিকন 2024.2।
কিছু একটা আছে পাক্কা, যার কারণে ওদের ওদের নিশ্চয়ই আহ, অনেক হতে পারে যে হয়তো ইনক্লুডেড কিছু প্যাকেজ টাইপ আছে হয়তো, মেবি ম্যাকের সাথে, অ্যাপেলের সাথে হতে পারে। I
1
don't
মান্থ হয়ে গেছে কি?
আমরা
ওটা
যবে
15
থেকে
days।
ক্লাস
হ্যাঁ
করে।
হ্যাঁ 4টে ক্লাস তো
one
হয়েই
month হয়ে
গেছে।
গেছে না? তাহলে তো 1 মান্থেরও বেশি, মানে এতটা ফ্রি
হ্যাঁ
ট্রায়াল মানে 15 ডেজ এর জায়গায় দুটো মানে আরো 15 ডেজ দিয়ে দিল, সেটা বোঝা যায়।
যাই হোক ঠিক আছে, তো ওটা তো ঠিক আছে মোটামুটি একটা এক্সটেন্ড ফাইল প্লিজ একটু
হ্যাঁ আমি
ক্যাচ আপ আ বিট না,
জাস্ট
so that at least 2-3 people are at least prepared by end of this tableau class at least, ঠিক আছে? তো মোরালেস জয়েন্টটা আমি বুঝিয়ে দিয়েছি ভালো করে। আমি আজকে একটা পারেটো চার্ট আমি ট্রাই করাতে পারি, এখনো সবাই নড়বড়ে, তো দ্যাট ইজ
না
আ
না
হিট অ্যাডভান্স, কোনো
একদম করে।
প্রবলেমই নেই। হ্যাঁ, সো নেক্সট ডে আই গো উইথ দ্যাট, আর আমি একটু স্পিড আপ করবো কিন্তু নেক্সট উইক থেকে, অর এলস আমি পুরো কমপ্লিট করতে পারবো না ইন 8 or 9 ক্লাসেস। ওকে,
হুম।
তো কাইন্ডলি গো থ্রু অল অফ দিস। ওকে, একবার শোভন স্যারকে কল করে নাও না তোমরা কেউ, সো দ্যাট বলো যে এটা হয়ে গেছে, সো হোয়াট উই হ্যাভ টু ডু।
আগের দিনকে শোভনদা বললো যে রেকর্ডিং বন্ধ করে তোরা বেরিয়ে যেত,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক
তাই
আছে,
তো?
ঠিক আছে, স্টপ প্রেজেন্টিং আমি বন্ধ করে দিচ্ছি এটা, তুমি
আমি এটা স্টপ করলাম। ওকে।